If you're a home-based entrepreneur, then you probably already know that working from home can be a double-edged sword. On the upside, you don't have the hassles associated with commuting, and you have much more flexibility with your time. However, on the flip side, you are surrounded by distractions, and it can often be difficult to focus and get anything done. So in this video, we will take a look at our 5 top tips for motivating yourself when you're working from home. Step 1. Create a separate working space. Many home-based entrepreneurs fall into the trap of trying to work in the same space where they sleep or live. This makes it incredibly hard to switch from home mode into work mode. One of the best ways to ignite your inner drive is to set aside a room or a space specifically for work. If you create a separate working space, set up a dedicated communication channel. Exercise to get your blood pumping. Follow a defined work schedule. And build a like-minded support network. You'll find yourself feeling much more motivated about your business, and you will probably increase your chances of making your business a resounding success. Step 2. Set up a separate communication channel. In addition to setting up a separate working space, you should also set up a work-only communication channel. Many entrepreneurs have a single email address, which is filled with personal emails, as well as business information. It is better to set up a separate email address for your business. Step 3. Exercise for about 30 minutes in the morning. Step 4. Have a defined work schedule. Step 5. Build a network. Working by yourself at home can be a very isolating experience. Reach out and build a network of like-minded people. So there you have it, our top 5 tips for motivating yourself when you are working from home. If you follow these tips, you have every chance of making your business a resounding success. Subscribe to our My Second Income newsletter at www.mysecondincome.com. Subscription is free. You will receive the latest ideas and success stories on how to make extra money with a second income.